Boost your confidence. 10 easy evidence-based exercises to fix bad posture and improve your life. Are you suffering from bad posture and seeking a way to make it better? Look no further. In this short video from Spinemathema.com and consultant neurosurgeon and spinal surgeon Mr. Sadek, we'll share evidence-based exercises which are scientifically proven to fix your posture. Are you a victim of bad posture? You're not alone. Let's bounce back with the top 10 evidence-based exercises to fix that. Firstly, meet Adam. Adam's been a slouch. Today, we're helping Adam straighten up. Exercise 1. Chest stretch. Stand tall, clasp your hands behind your back, lift arms till you feel the stretch. Hold for 30 seconds. Exercise 2. Child's pose. Kneel, sit back on your knees, extend arms in front, and hold for a few breaths. Exercise 3. Bridge. Lie flat, knees bent, lift your lower back. Squeeze glutes, hold, then lower. Exercise 4. Cat-cow. On your hands and knees, round your back, then arch it. Exercise 5. Spinal twist. Sit tall, cross one leg over the other, twist your torso towards the bent knee. Exercise 6. Wall angels. Stand against a wall. Make snow angel movements while keeping contact with the wall. Exercise 7. Plank. Hands under shoulders, hold your body straight. Exercise 8. Prone back extension. Lie on your tummy, lift your head and shoulders off the ground. Exercise 9. Shoulder blade squeeze. Stand tall, pull your shoulder blades together and down. Finally, exercise 10. Neck stretch. Gently pull your head towards each shoulder. So here's to standing tall and strong. Remember, consistency is key. All our references are included in the description below. If you found this animation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maintaining excellent spinal health, brought to you from Spinemathema.com and Mr. Sadek.